Welcome to the channel, Cooking with Chef Bouka. Please don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get into it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we back at it again. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Chef Bouka, making it happen, VIP style. So, I'm sitting there and I'm thinking to myself, like, I haven't eaten ton cornmeal in a while. When I used to work in Jamaica in the Rastaman Ital shop, we used to make a lot of ton cornmeal with different flavors and different styles. So this is my take on ton cornmeal with a little bit of flip from my other side, the Italian side, when I used to make polenta, cooking in Jamaica in those major hotels. Check my ingredients out. So, garlic for sure, because you don't know garlic all the way. And this polenta is vegan friendly. But if you want, you can add a little bit of cheese, little bit of milk to yours. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to yours to make it more creamier. But I'm going to do it this way. You guys can flip it and do whatever you want to it. So, we got some roasted sun-dried tomato. You know what I'm saying? And herbs and all that. That's going to go in there too. We got some pepper. We got some onion. We got some coconut milk. We got our cornmeal right here. Thing about our cornmeal is two different kind of cornmeal. We got a hard grain in here. And we got a fine grain to give it that kind of better bite and crunch. We have water and we have salt. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put a little bit of pepper flakes in there as well as for flavor. And I'm going to drop a little bit of my green VIP secret rub into it for more flavors as well. So let's check it out. Start cut some vegetables. So first what we want to do, we want to cut up the vegetable. I'm cutting up this kind of a little bit finer than normal, because I'm not trying to really match it with the cornmeal. I'm just trying to make sure it's fine enough so you can have a little bite into it as well. Yeah, we're going to sweat these off first. You know what I'm saying? We're going to add the cornmeal and then we're going to start add the liquid to it. Kind of like, cook off the cornmeal a little bit. When you're cooking some rice and you normally like sweat off the rice before you add the liquid to it. That's the same way you want to treat the cornmeal, because you want to open up, you know what I'm saying, those things inside of it. Yeah. This is one of, our favorite pastime, you know what I'm saying, real quick, real easy. Normally we just use water, oil, salt, pepper, that's it, and it's ready to go. It's a different kind of a meal, So later I'm thinking about, I'm gonna do a braised short rib, and I'm gonna use a little bit of polenta for the starch for the braised short rib. So we're gonna get into it and we're gonna show you what's going on. Alright? So when we come back, we're not gonna bore you guys with cutting vegetable all day. So when we come back, we're gonna get into the process of start sweating off the stuff and start adding the ingredients to it. Alright? And if you guys want, you can add a little bit of butter to yours as well too. You know what I'm saying? Because in Jamaica we do butter in there, but this one I'm making it vegan friendly. No butter. And one of my friends said I should open a vegan channel because I cook so much vegan food on the channel. So I'm thinking about it. You guys let me know what you think. If you guys want a vegan channel where I come and I just cook all vegan for you guys. You know what I'm saying? And educate you guys on how to eat vegan food and how to eat, the proper way. You know what I'm saying? How not to overcook it and all of that. So just let me know. Alright? So right now we have all the ingredients in there. I had a bay leaf in there because the bay leaf gives like a universal flavor to whatever you're cooking in there. Put it in stew and whatever you want to put it in. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the green marinade, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a bit more flavor. I already know. And you need a whisk as well when you're doing this. You're gonna need to be whisking this thing, And if you get a rubber whisk, it'll be better if you use in a metal container, okay? But I know what I'm doing, very professional, so I'm not gonna scrape the pot, And I just put a little bit of olive oil in here, or olive oil, whatever you guys call it, But I'm always saying Oliver, because of the Popeye with his girlfriend named Oliver. I like that cartoon, you know what I'm saying? Popeye, the spinach and all that. One of my favorite cartoon I always watch it. Yeah, my friend Karen always calling me and say, Bouka, what happened? You always saying the wrong words. I'm like, don't worry about that. My people know what I'm saying. Yep. So I want to big up Karen on that one, yeah? Brittany, big up on that one, though. We want big up one on that one, yeah? Lincoln Merchant, yeah? Let me say. We want big up Vibe on that one, yeah? And let me say, aka Greg. I already know. So if you notice that you can, the aroma coming out of this is excellent, you know? It smells real good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my time and start add this now. You know, mix it. You know? Slowly but surely. Mix it together. Just like getting to burn a little bit. You're gonna find a lot of video, a lot of people do it different from the way I do it. But the end product is the same. You know? I'm just trying to burn this a little bit. You know? This is kind of help with the cooking process as well. You know? I want to big up Maud on this one as well. You know what I say? VIP. Put a little bit of salt in here before we forgot the salt, alright? Salt is important. Kosher salt, as I told you, is not that salty, so you probably see me over salting the stuff and be like, oh, we're putting a lot of salt. Trust me, it's not a lot of salt. So I'm gonna go in and turn the flames down right now, because when they're making ton cornmeal, you gotta be careful because it popped. And this is like hot tar. You don't want it to touch your hand, you know what I'm saying? So turn on the flames and below medium. Make sure everything's on point. Add a little bit of water first, and then I'm gonna get into the coconut milk, you know? Yeah, start farm already. Doesn't take long to farm, but this one gonna need a little bit more water than normal because there's a bigger grain in here, so stir this coconut milk, so make sure, you know, the water that's in the bottom, everything go together. Yeah. Fresh juice, coconut milk. It looks thick, but the way we deal with it is intelligent to get it like this. I'm going to share the secret with you guys one day. Yeah. You know, add some more water to it. And I say try to keep it on low. You don't want to get too high, you know. Simple, easy recipe, you know. Some more water in here. You don't want to put too much water because it's supposed to be ton cornmeal, but I'm trying to make this one a little bit softer than a regular ton cornmeal. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, roasted tomato. Coconut milk, ton cornmeal. Rasta ton cornmeal, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Trying to get this out of this as well, so. See that? That's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna turn the flame down on low right now and let it simmer and do what it does. But this is the texture you're looking for, right there. Well, you know it's not ready yet, so you want to give it a little bit more time. So I'll turn the flames down and low, let it simmer, all of that. Alright, when we come back, we're going to get into the final touch of it. So alright, Polenta, aka ton cornmeal, / Italian style, / Jamaican style. Rasta style as well, because you know we introduce the coconut milk into it. Incorporate that in there, incorporate some vegetable as well. Check it out. You know, soft and nice. Some people probably make it a little bit drier than this. But normally in the restaurant when I make this, I put this on like a small sheet tray, put it in there, you know, press it down like that, smooth it out, and later on I cut it in like pieces wherever I want to cut it in, like for style, for a dish, you know what I'm saying? Or normally what I do, I just cut it, let it, put it in the fridge, cool down, style it, and it's grill it. Call it grilled polenta. You know what I'm saying? But really and truly it's grilled ton cornmeal, which we have a lot of style to do with this. So let's set up a little plate right here. I already eat like some out of it. It's real nice, tastes real good. You know, if you want to make yours dry, you can make yours dry. But I like mine like this. You know, make sure all of it is cooked. Because you want to make sure all of it is cooked. You don't want it to be too much chewy in there. So, ton cornmeal, Rasta style. You know what I say? You can put some flowers on it. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some shaved Parmesan in there that, you know, we buy from the store. We want to put a little bit in here. Because people normally eat it with cheese for garnish, you know? Or normally fold some cheese into it for garnish. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it looks like right there. Finishing touch. The way this is hot, it's gonna melt the cheese into it. So by the time you fold it together, the cheese already melt into it and get a little bit more creamier for you to have, you know what I'm saying? So, ton cornmeal, Bouka style, my way. Only way, which is right, you know? Don't forget, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, the channel is doing real good. We appreciate you guys, you know what I'm saying? We want to big up everybody who's supporting the channel. We appreciate you guys. You know, give thanks and blessed love. See you in the next chapter. That's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, share, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Peace.